You can add or edit video thumbnails from the YouTube Studio app to do this. Open the YouTube Studio app. Then, tap Videos. Select the video you want to edit. And then tap Edit. Edit thumbnail. If you're happy with one of the automatically generated thumbnails, there are a few file recs you want to keep in mind. The ideal file type is 1280 by 720 pixel resolution with a minimum width of 640 pixels. And JPEG GIF bitmap or PNG image formats are supported under the 2 MB limit. These should have a 16:9 aspect ratio. Once you're happy with the thumbnail you've chosen, confirm your selection by tapping Select. Finally, tap Save. If you'd like to learn more about what you can do with the YouTube Studio app, check out the link in the description below. And that's it. Subscribe for more YouTube tips and tricks.